Hello there, welcome to ATV Oil. My name's Roland. This channel is about more than just ATV and UTV oil. We cover it all. We cover diesel trucks, marine, cars, whatever you have to put oil and lubes into. So don't think we're just about ATV oil. So now it's fall. We're right on the doorstep of winter and cold temperatures. And I want to talk about getting your vehicles ready for that season. Now, that could be getting your cars, trucks, other vehicles ready for winter that you're going to be driving all winter long or using all winter long. And it could be also be talking about getting other equipment, or maybe you have an old car or truck that you need to put away for the winter and you want to get it ready for that as well. So basically, preparing for fall oil change season. So here we're looking at the AMSOIL Signature Series, the 100% synthetic motor oil Signature Series. And this oil provides the engine protection that you need and blows the doors off the highest industry standards. So let's have a quick look at the bullet points here of this oil. 75% more engine protection against horsepower loss and wear, protects turbochargers 72% better than required by the GM Dexos 1 Gen 2 specification. 50% more cleaning power versus AMSOIL's OE motor oil. So this is the Signature Series and the AMSOIL OE motor oil, which is a very good oil. It is the base motor oil for your vehicles.
To elaborate on that quickly here, this is your OEM. That's what we're talking about, the OE. It outperforms conventional oils.
So the Signature Series is that much better. First, you have your XL synthetic motor oil. That's what I put in my truck and my car. So this oil has a 64% more protection against oil breakdown than required by the GM Dexos 1 Gen 2 specification. It's engineered for advanced automotive technology, including turbos and direct injection. It has 25% more cleaning power to help keep your engine running smoother and longer. So when I bought this XL synthetic motor oil for my truck and car, I bought the oil that is for 25,000 miles or 1 year. So this oil will protect my engine for 1 year or 25,000 miles. It gives me peace of mind, plus it saves me money because I have way less change intervals. Well, anyways, that's what I'm using. I just did the oil change on my truck and my car. I'm going to be doing an oil change on my son's car very soon. And that way we will be protected for the cold winter season. And we'll have peace of mind that we have full protection and performance for our vehicles. And I want to talk to you about something that just came out today, some promo offers that AMSOIL is offering to their customers. So like I said, if you want to stock up on some oil right now, do some oil changes in your equipment, your vehicles, right now is the time to do it. For a limited time, preferred customers and online catalog customers receive free shipping with their $49 order when they use the promo code FREESHIP at checkout. So this promotion will run till October 21st, and it's a good time to jump on that. Maybe you just want to pick up some fuel stabilizers, put that in your small engines that you won't be operating through the winter. Now's the time to, get your product, get $49 worth, and you'll get free shipping. Now, speaking of fuel stabilizers, today also this promo came out.
AMSOIL runs on freedom, and so do we at atvoil.ca. Run with us.
For a limited time, preferred customers and online or catalog customers get a bottle of AMSOIL gasoline stabilizer for only $5 when they use this code right here at checkout. I think normally the stabilizer is around $15 a bottle, so you'll save close to $10 on your bottle of stabilizer, which we all need right now because our small engines that we won't be using through the winter months, this is the time to get that stabilizer in that fuel so that condensation doesn't build up in your fuel and get into your fuel system like your carburetor, the fuel lines, and start turning into a gel and varnish and mucking it all up on you. And you want your equipment to start first thing in the spring. This also goes to October 21st. So there's two beneficial promos that just came out today. I'll show you one more. So here you get a free hat on a $100 order if you're in the US or 130 in Canada. But this is going through the app, the AMSOIL app that will be on your phone. So I'll read it out to you. For a limited time, preferred customers and online or catalog customers get a free hat with their order of $100 or more when they order through AMSOIL app and use the code HAT 1025 at checkout. And this goes till October 21st as well. So if you guys don't like to wear hats, I'll take your hats for you. Just place your order. I'll take your hats. I just wanted to remind you about preparing your vehicle for winter. Now's the time to do it. And all the available AMSOIL promos that just came out today. It's starting to feel like Christmas already with all these promos. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. There's going to be some really good content coming out the next few weeks. And I want to thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next one.